Get your phone out.
Oh yeah. Jam a 3.5 inch into the 4 inch. Yeah. Okay. Power stroke muffler. Okay. I'll quiet it down a little bit. Might fall out. Might have to hold it in there.
No, it's leaking. It's leaking out.
Work it all in there, man.
I can't.
Shove it in there.
It's because of the flange. No, it sounds better coming out of there because there's less mufflers. Kind of hard to smuggle this one. Kind of a big muffler.
Jam this in there.
Oh my god. It gets awesome. Starting to blow the rag out. It does sound cool coming out the back though, but it's super quiet.
Imagine if they didn't have the muffler under the car. It kind of sounds cool.
It does, but